This bird might not be alive 15 minutes from now, because it's a hummingbird, the animal with the fastest metabolism on Earth. Its heart can beat up to 1,200 times per minute, and its wings flap 80 times per second. That incredible speed allows it to hover in mid-air, and even fly backwards, the only bird that can. But such speed comes at a price. If it doesn't eat every 15 minutes, it could die. And when it sleeps, it enters a state called torpor, slowing its heart rate and body temperature to near-death levels, just to survive the night. Yes, this tiny bird could die within minutes. If you found that fascinating, give it a like and hit subscribe for more.